Nishkar from class 9th. I read in Government Senior Secondary School, Singh Bhagwanpur Block, Miapur, Roppan. Today I am going to share my views on some of great freedom fighters of India. India is under the rule of Britishers more than 200 years. The freedom of India did not get easily. It requires fearless courage and true spirit to regain the freedom of India back. The history of freedom of India is full of great leaders and freedom fighters who faced exploitation, hardmanship, immense torture to earn the freedom that is dutiful ours. It demanded the immense sacrifice and courage to devote one's of the cause of the freedom of mother's land. Every people under the British rule dreamt of the independent India. Different freedom fighters adopted different ways to earn the freedom and the fight against the Britishers, but common objectives are same. Credit must go to the spirit of freedom fighters aimed to abolish the Britishers and the various other colonial authorities ruling over the different parts of India. It is because of them we are living in a democratic and free country. There are many other famous freedom fighters who fight for their motherland. But let's know about the famous freedom fighters who inspired and encouraged the people to do the work to their country due to their patriotism. The Mahatma Gandhi. The father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi was a great leader of the Indian freedom movement. He was saying that work is worship. Truth and non-violence was his two weapons to fighting against the British rules. He also made the unity among the people of India and generated the spirit against them. He also actively joined the Quit India movement of India of the freedom. He also joined the civil disobedience movement to curb the tax on the salt brutal raw of the Britishers. He also joined the non-cooperative movement to discarding the legislative produced by the Britishers. P.T. Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was one of the great leaders who gave up everything and fought for the India. He was the first Prime Minister of the India after India got independence. He joined the Mahatma Gandhi against discarding the legislation produced by the Britishers. He also present with Mahatma Gandhi against standing for the British Act of Salt law. When released from the prison, both of them reunited their Congress party and fight for the India's freedom together. Also, they are present many times in the spite of stopping the fighting against the injustice of Britishers. There are many other unsung warriors in our fight of freedom who contributed their blood for our fight for our mother nation. We are thankful to them because just due to their sacrifice, we live in this free and democratic country. I salute them from my core of heart. Jai Hind.